What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey y'all, I think we're live. Y'all, so today we're playing with a triangle shape board, better known as the Christmas tree board, and we're gonna try to make it look like a carrot. So we're gonna hang it upside down, put our mesh on there, and see what happens. All right, so right now I'm just getting all these zip ties on here. Y'all, how many of y'all have tried these flower boards? This works a little bit faster for me. So I just prop my board up, take my zip tie, fold it in half, and then just push it through. All right, so one thing, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Whenever I have used these boards, I always do them upside down because all of the company's branding from where the board is from is in the plastic. Y'all, we're almost done. Almost done. Y'all, last row of zip ties. All right. Y'all, now all of our little zip ties are in there. We're just gonna hope that we don't have to go in between. We want to get these closed just a little bit. You don't want to have to fight with holding the mesh in place and try to close the zip tie at the same time. All right, so y'all, I basically just used one hole, ran the zip tie through the one hole, and then I made a brace on the back so that the zip tie can't come through. All right. Y'all, I know it's gonna take a lot of mesh, so we're gonna cut some 10-inch squares because someone said 10 inches a while ago. So let's cut these 10 inches. So let's just look. All right. So when I'm looking at it, I'm gonna fold it like this for sure. Then I think I'm just gonna crinkle this in to get a nice little point like this. And then add this right on our frame. So we made our 10-inch square. Then we're gonna fold it corner to corner. Y'all, then we're just gonna go right in here and start to pinch it up. Y'all, these little flaps, I'm gonna fold in because flaps ain't fun. And then I'm just gonna add it right in here. Y'all, I'm gonna do about an inch with my finger. And pull it tight. So take your square, fold it corner to corner, and just scrunch it up. When you get that little fishtail at the end, fold them inside so that they don't fray out. So far, just one twist, one zip tie in every hole is fine. Y'all look, all we're gonna do is keep layering this until we get to the top. It's gonna naturally have that curve coming in. Yeah, the mesh is cut 10 by 10. Y'all, that one petal right there, that's like the second born. Just out there doing its own little thing. I know one thing, it's gonna be a fluffy carrot. Y'all, we still need 55 more. All right, so you can see it's layering quite nicely. This is just called wide foil Deco mesh. I chose the wide foil because I wasn't sure if it was gonna give good coverage or not, but it's doing plenty of coverage. Y'all, this is a really thick carrot. All right, so I'm making a little bow tie ruffle, and I'm folding it in half to make this little ruffle. And we're zip tying it in. I'm gonna do 3 on both sides. All right, so we have 3. I'm gonna skip 3, and so there's 9 across the top. Y'all, I'm gonna go back and in between the ties, I'm gonna add another zip tie. And on this one, I'm just gonna make a little ruffle. That ruffle is gonna be to cover what we have going on there. Get it nice and tight so it fluffs out like that. So we went this way, down with a ruffle, and now we're coming back across the top with a ruffle to cover our mechanics. We got a healthy carrot. Y'all, I'm honestly probably gonna come back in here and fluff these out a little bit more so the whole carrot's a little bit more poofy versus just flat and thick. Y'all, we're gonna get some of our green. So I'm gonna cut 3 pieces of mesh. Y'all, I grabbed some greenery. Y'all, I'm gonna take my greenery and get it nice and fluffed out. All right, now I wanna put my stem in here now. That way, whenever I put that zip tie on there, it'll zip tie right in and I won't have to worry about it. All right, then I'm gonna take my 3 little pieces here, fold them over, and follow the same pattern that we did before. All right, so I put my stem in the same zip tie that I'm going to put this in. Y'all will probably go back and put a green ruffle in there as well. All right, we're gonna add a ruffle in there because it needs a little bit more junk in its trunk. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 green ruffles. We'll see. We'll see. Right, so we're just adding a little ruffle right in there for a little bit more filler. Yeah, the green is a fabric mesh. And I wish I would have had an orange fabric mesh that I could have found for the whole carrot. I think I would have liked the color of the orange fabric mesh better, honestly. Y'all, we're gonna make a bow to put right here. Y'all, I'm gonna start with a 2.5 inch. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of a tail on one end. Measure about a 6-inch loop. On both sides, and then a little bit shorter tail up at the top. All right, I'm gonna add one strip of this. And then I'm gonna add the tails down here. Gonna use our pipe cleaners. All right, twist this off. Y'all, I'm gonna put my bow right in here where we put that bright green. All right, let's trim our ribbon tails up. Y'all, so I'm just running that pipe cleaner right through the holes in the back. All right, now we can hang our carrot. Y'all, this is a big door hanger for sure. All right, y'all, that's it. We made a fun carrot. Bye, y'all.